sorry, I'm drinking wine, so I mean, it's my birthday, you know what I mean? Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Shani, and today I want to come to you with another upscaling video. I'm going to Gucci-fy one of my jackets. So I ordered some, I'll show you the load of patches I bought from, oh my memory card, hello. I got a whole heap of patches I bought from AliExpress and from Amazon. So I've got like a big Gucci sign, but I won't be using this one today. What I'm going to be using is the Par Amour or the Blind for Love. I still haven't made up my mind, but basically got a nice big Gucci snake. We've got the lion, so I'm not too sure. I've got loads of flowers and stuff, so I'm just going to figure out the design I'm going to do. I'm going to lay the jacket down and see. So I've got this cute army jacket that my friend gave to me. So got a jacket down, and all we're going to do is just place the items where we want them. So first I'm going to see what the snake looks like. So we've got the snake, bang that in the middle, couple butterflies, the Par Amour at the top, and some random flowers just about the place, and more butterflies. I've even got some African flowers because I thought I'd just change it up a bit. So I'm just going to place all of these all over the jacket and then just move them about and see which ones I like, which ones I don't. There's something Par Amour, which just means blind for love, you're my secret lover, something like that, along the lines of that. So I've positioned, oh man, I hate this. It's going to take me forever to decide whether I want that or this. But I just feel like this is going to look better on denim, like a denim jeans jacket. So I might just save that and just do the snake. Yeah, just do the snake. I've got these kind of camel, I can't remember what they're called, but they're like these little brooches, which just make everything look kind of expensive. Even though the other Gucci has got like these butterfly brooches, but I'm thinking, you know what, this is supposed to be Gucci inspired. This is my own take on a Gucci-esque jacket, so I'm going to do it the way I want to do it. And I really, really love these. Shush you. So that's my iron. And so I'm going to add some of these cami, I can't remember, but like these brooches. You can use butterfly brooches. Those are actually the ones they actually use. I'm going to take the back of this off so I can stick that down. So I've got the iron on like really, really hot setting, and just basically you just want to iron them on. Sometimes this bit may take quite a while to do, and you will have to keep checking that. See what I mean? Like that didn't even adhere to anything. So it also depends on the material. So that's why I had to check and see if they actually do iron on, because they do, but it's just going to take quite a long time to get this on this cotton. Because I have been going at it for a while now. Okay, yeah. Shani, that's not an iron on. That's on, that's on, that's on, that's on. Wicked. They're all on, but now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, should I add some more? Should I add a little extra something? I feel like if I add some of these more cloth-like roses, but I'd have to hot glue gun them. And okay, so just to make sure that those do stay. I'm just gonna go over it one more time. I do think the steam helped. Definitely helped it go a bit faster. So this is the finished item. I'm loving it. I love this jacket. It's just made a really plain jacket, a little bit more exciting to look at, a little bit more designer-esque. Really, really love it. Really, really love this. And literally, the patches cost me like £5, £6. So all in all, you could say like I spent £10 on patches to make this jacket. But I think it looks wicked. I think it makes this plain jacket look so much more expensive than what it is. Again, I'll try and link the links of where I got these patches in the description bar. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah.